Before addressing the question of who evaluates, let's just consider first the fact that there is an evaluation. This is a requirement in European legislation. Any project that uses animals for research or for testing or for training must first be evaluated and approved before the project can actually start. This kind of evaluation is usually done by a group of people with diverse expertise and background. And the most commonly used term for this group of people is an animal ethics committee, or different variations on that term. The European Directive does not give specific guidelines for who should be members of such animal ethics committees. So this is left up to the individual member states to decide on what is the best composition from their perspective. But the European Directive is specific on the kind of expertise that needs to be considered in the evaluation process. This means that the evaluation must consider expertise in the scientific research area where the animals are going to be used, expertise in experimental design and statistics, veterinary expertise in laboratory animal science, and animal care and husbandry expertise for the species of animals that are going to be used. We have in ANIMPACT looked at how different member states have decided to compose their animal ethics committees, what kind of expertise and other kind of representation is involved. In terms of the scientific and technical expertise, there is both similarity and diversity between member states. Similarity in terms of the fact that scientific expertise and veterinary or animal welfare expertise is always involved in the committee. So there are always committee members with this kind of expertise in all member states. When it comes to other kinds of technical expertise, the most common are legal expertise and ethics expertise. But not all member states do have any additional expertise. Some actually have committees simply composed by scientists and experts on veterinary medicine and on animal welfare. Another important difference is whether the committees involve people whose role it is precisely not to be experts on anything, so the so-called lay members of the committee, which are there to represent a different perspective or to represent the perspective of the general public.